Hey there again, just another collector. This is my second video that I like to show. I got 20 Woody Woodpeckers. These are from the Golden Age, the late Golden Age. I think it's from like 52, 53. The Woody Woodpeckers that I had showed 2 years ago on my lot was Silver Age, so I finally got with the Golden Age. Tried to wrap up just the Woody Woodpeckers from the Dell series, not the Gold Key or anything like that. Alright, so let's see what I got. I haven't looked through any of these yet. This is number 40, and they're all mixed up. This is number 24. $21, $19. Paid like $2.50 to like maybe $3.50 each, depending on the condition. $29. They're all good to very good. You know, again, low grade copies. It's the affordable way. $44. $30. Yeah, I like that cover. $17. Which one is this? $18. I like this cover too. $22. $31. And I'm sorry about the glare. $23. $25. $43. $33. $27. $20. $41. $26. And last but not least, $28. All right, let me know what you think about Woody Woodpecker. One of my favorite cartoon characters. All right, well, thank you for watching. If you're watching this for the first time, my channel has a lot of comic books, collectibles, and things like that. I'd love to hear from you. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I've been checking the analytics, you know, from the YouTube, and I get like a few hundred people that look at the channel each month, but like hardly nobody subscribes, so I wish people would subscribe a little more. That'd be cool. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Take care.